Creative art just a click away. One company is making it just that simple, merging art and the internet together. At Artistic Tech, they are on the forefront of art and technology. As CEO, Wayne Mans sits at the top of Artistic Heights representing art and design. But this isn't art curated in a museum or gallery. For your convenience, it's all online. Live since 2012, Mr. Mans says digital art online means trust. Although the company is new, his relationships stem from over a decade. Gone are the days of the traditional art fairs. A new art technological way of doing business is in town. Featured behind me in our penthouse studio, you can see a beautiful portrait purchased online at Artistic Tech's site and loaned to us for this show. What a beauty it is. I'll step to the side so you can get a better view. We have looked at the reviews online and the general consensus is that art is sexy. I'll take that. Now, at any given time, there is around 100 global artists on the site. Prices range from $200 to $60,000. With Artistic Technology, I'm Sharon Braxton, Alley Wire.